Enough with the lecture video, let us begin the exercise now. Let us discuss the first example which involves the indices concept. Okay, over here you have 5 to the power of 3x plus 1 in the bracket 5 to the power of 2x equals to 1. So the objective of this question is to find the value of x. So how are you going to find the value of x? Okay, let us solve this together. Okay, since you have the same base which is 5 and it's involving a multiplication, so what you can do is the index over here you can just add them together. Okay, let me show you in the working now. So from here, in the left hand side of the equation, it will be 5 to the power of 3x plus 1 and then plus with 2x and then equals to 1. Okay, so from here the index we already plus them. Okay, so from here 3x you can plus with 2x. So from here you have 5 to the power of 5x, okay, and then you plus with 1, okay, and then equals to 1. Okay, so far so good. So for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to make the left hand side and the right hand side have the same base, which is base 5. Okay, so how are we going to make this one into base 5? Okay, remember guys, anything which is power of 0, provided that they are real numbers, which will be equals to 1. Okay, so from here we can change this one into 5 to the power of 0. Okay, so from here 5 to the power of 5x plus 1 will be equals to 5 to the power of 0. Okay, remember guys, 5 to the power of 0 we can change it back equals to 1, and 1 we can change it back equals to 5 to the power of 0. Okay, so from here 5 and 5 we have the same base, so we can just cancel them out. So you only left with 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so from here 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So this one from the left hand side you move it over to the right hand side. So from here you get 5x equals to negative 1. So from here to get the x, what you do, negative 1 you divide with 5. So from here you get your x value is equals to negative 1 over 5. So this is your value of x guys. Okay, so that is all for the example part A. So let us move on to the example part B now. Subscribe and follow for more upcoming video content. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day ahead.